around. First, you won't believe this, but I am leaving on a 90-foot yacht in Seattle. I will turn this on around a little bit and show you, and then I will tell you how I got to be on a 90-foot yacht in Seattle. And Max Strong is here too, if you know Max Strong. I just said hi to him. I will turn you around. Here we are in Lake Union. You might hear sounds. We're getting ready. Here's the ski-doos that are in the back of the boat. Here's the back of the boat. There's Max. Whoa. And my partner Rich and his twin brother. I will run upstairs because it's a little quieter. It's a lot quieter up here. Here's the captain. This is the upstairs. And then we've got cardboard with this thing is so huge. I should have done this earlier. Here's the back. Hi, Carolyn. Hi, Mary. I'm going to try not to fall down the stairs here. Like I said, I'm on a 90-foot yacht. And we're headed over to Lake Washington. There's Max. I'm just so funny here.
Oh, my goodness. Yes, my guest. How you doing?
Good.
I'm back.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's some of the food. And here's where you can steer the boat from inside.
Today he's a cougar.
Okay. Here we go. I'm just going to step outside. Okay, here we go. It's gorgeous. There's some people watching as we go out. Okay. I'm going to go in the front here. This is an amazing boat. Okay, there's our slip we just pulled out too. Okay. Yeah. Okay, here I am. Here's part of the boat. It's so big it's hard to take a picture of. But I just want to tell you how I got here.
I love the leash on.
There's two things that I did. I'm going to sit down. I pursued my interest in accordion. So I was just over here getting my accordion fixed. And I encouraged my music partner. I'll switch you around just to see where we're leaving from while I talk. Okay, we're backing out. This is where we are. Oh, so much fun. Here we go. But as I was telling you, I was just getting my accordion repaired and pursuing my interest in music, and also encouraging my music partner to spend time with his family. So we got out here because his niece bought 4 hours on the yacht at an auction, and she's a big lawyer in Seattle and downtown, and so it's the Max Strong Foundation is what it's supporting. And I just want to say that if you follow the things that you are meant to follow, you will end up in places that you never dreamed of going. It wasn't even on my bucket list to be on a 90-foot yacht on Lake Union, but I love being here. And can you see this sucker? Just even a piece of it. And hi, Catherine. and all the wonderful food. I just walked through there quickly. I didn't want to embarrass everybody and embarrass myself. It's nice and quiet up here. But if you start pursuing the things that God has called you to do and be faithful to the things that are good to do, like spend time with family and friends and give back to the community, you will end up in places that you never dreamed of. And so I will post, I think, more pictures, and I'll show you more because I just love being up here. Here we go. This boat, like I said, it's 90 feet. Here's Seattle. Let's see. Okay. You can see the space back there. Here's the front of the boat. There's the captain up there. Maybe I'll take more pictures and post of all the wonderful food that we're going to eat. Anyway, I just encourage you to follow your dreams, do the right thing, and you'll just have an amazing adventure in life. And I'm having an amazing adventure today, and I just love it. It's life as it should be, because I'm doing the things that I was meant to be, and you have things that you have meant to be too. So just do those things and do the right thing. So I've got a website that I'm still working on. It's kind of an infant, but it's there, called lifeasitshouldsbe.net. And there's also a Facebook page. And I've been posting things like a lot of cleaning and cooking. I'm calling that your base camp for the rest of your life. And if you, you get your home organized, you get your meals going well, you'll have a base to do the truly exciting things in life. And here I am. So fun. I'm trying to find where my daughter used to live. I'm gonna just take some pictures over here. And if I can zoom in, maybe not. And they may have torn it down. Anyway, I've babbled on too long because I'm having too much fun, but Mary Catherine, thank you for joining me, and I'll post this on Facebook. And just have a great life. I want to encourage you all to have a great life. Life as it should be. Thanks. Bye-bye.